Hi students, do you know that choosing the best site structure for parcel layout in Civil 3D is very necessary. If you decide to have site in the same drawing, we have some sites you may want to create. It's just suggestion which meant to be used as a starting point. So use them to help find a combination of site and that work for your projects. So which site we must need to create before parceling? The first one, roads and lots. This site could contain roads, centerlines, right of ways, platted subdivision lots, open spaces, adjoining parcels, utility lots, and other aspect of the site legal site plan. The second one is most important, grading site. It will contain feature line, grading objects, and considered part of the site geometry. So if you are using these tools, you could look into making at least one site for them. You may even find it useful to have several grading sites also. The third one, easement. If you would like to use Parcel to manage, analyze, and annotate your easements, you may consider creating a separate site for that easements. The fourth, we have impervious area. Sometimes we are using impervious area in our drawings. So if you would like to use Parcel to manage, analyze, and annotate paved area, a separate site will be useful. Drainage areas can be tracked using a separate object called a catchment. So there is no need to create a site for drainage area. The last site which you must need to create, the soils. Many projects require knowledge of the different site types present on the site. You will want soil in the separate site so that their boundaries don't interact with other objects in the drawing. So as you learn new ways to take advantages of alignments, parcels, and grading object, you may find additional sites that you would like to create at the beginning of new project. So these were some useful sites structures which you must need to create before parceling creation in Civil 3.